Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation, with an unboxing from Intaglio Mint. Yes, you heard right, that's Intaglio. I found out the G is actually silent. I never knew that. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, let's get into this. Quite excited about this unboxing for a myriad of reasons. I've always been a fan of Intaglio Mint since they started offering a lot of these ultra thick pieces with absolutely amazing and sharp designs. Very innovative in my opinion with what they have been offering lately. Let's pull out the contents therein. See this packing slip here before we delve too much into it. Yep, everything seems to be there. There's proof of the packing slip. So there it is. Hey, look there. It says merchandise enclosed. Pull apart here to open. Attention, it says. You know, if it would have said attention with only 2 exclamation points, I don't know that I would be inclined to open this up. That extra exclamation point just seals the deal for me. So I'll go ahead and proceed then. There we are. All right. Very good. Ooh, exciting stuff. Lots of Intaglio goodness here. All right, looky there, looky there. Okay, let's see here. We've got ourselves some cool things here. We've got the new one. This is what I've been waiting for. Look at that. This is the St. Gaudens high relief silver 2-ounce round here. Very nice. Look at that detail on that thing. Absolutely stunning. 2 ounces of thick silver here. 2 troy ounces, it says there, of 0.999 fine silver. Very nice. Very well done. That's an incredible representation of the high relief St. Gaudens and in stunning silver, which is absolutely amazing. That is just incredible. So cool. Yes, indeed. And there's that one. We got actually 3 of those because I might these flips have come apart here, but I might have one of these. I don't know. I'm thinking of maybe having one of these as a companion pocket piece. Who knows? Or one to just play with, you know? That's just, to feel 2 ounces of silver in your hand like that is just amazing. Flips have kind of come out a little bit here. There's another one. I'll leave that in the flip so I don't break that one. And then this, well, first I'll show this. This is a 1/2 ounce Mercury Dime Winged Liberty version. And that is just stellar. Wow. Nice matte finish, great detail, and a nice little 1/2 ounce piece here. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. United States of America, it says, 1 dime. D. Beautiful. Very well done. And the weight and purity are on the axe handle there, or axe there. I think that says fine silver, I believe. 1/2 ounce fine silver. Can't get that close enough to read it. Let's see here. Maybe you can see it. There it is. All right. Very, very nice. And a 1/2 ounce piece there. I probably should have ordered more of those, but that's just really cool. I like that. And that is in their oversized flip too. Finally, or well, not finally, but next is this. This is their Ancient series. That is so cool. Look at how thick that thing is. That's 36 millimeters in thickness. The Athena Owl. Very famous. This is 2 ounces as well. Piece with sort of that brushed, hammered look for the edge. Very, very cool. I love this series and how they do that. I think this is also available in antiqued, although I'd kind of like this. This is limited to 1,000 pieces. So it's a little bit more expensive, but very well worth it just for the artistry and the design of it. Really cool. Really high relief you can see there. Absolutely stunning. Now we get to the finally, it's the Salivate Metal round. doing a test order of this. However, I was under the impression that it would come in a capsule, but the capsule wasn't included with it. So, but there it is. All right, very, very nice. And you can see the sharp detail on it. I showed this in a little promo video before. There it is. All right, very, 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 very cool. All right, so that's let me see. Let's count up the ounces here. Let's put this back in here. We've got ourselves 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 1/2 ounces of Intaglio mint. I'm probably going to end up calling it Intaglio. Silver right there. Look at all that silver. Craziness. So what do you think? What do you think? Pretty cool, eh? Post your thoughts below. I would like to extend a multitude of gratitude to y'all for watching and encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.